Today we're making Nutella peanut butter chip cookies. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's cold outside. It's that time of year when it's Christmas time, and we make cookies at Christmas time. This is a variation on your regular peanut butter chip cookie. Yeah, I guess you would say that. I am using Nutella. And you notice I didn't put it into a glass bowl simply because I didn't want to waste the Nutella. I mean, and that's the simple part about this. This is so easy. It's such a great recipe. I love making cookies at this time of year because, well, you know, all the family comes. We get all together and everybody has cookies. And I mean, I love to have people in. Now, if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe. Every few days, I think I do 3 videos a week, I make a new video. They are ranging from cooking, cleaning, and household tips, and then a speed video at the end of the week so that it can help you clean and motivate and all those fun things. Try to keep your house going. That's what I try to do. But this recipe is so easy to make. What I'm going to do is all my ingredients are listed down below in the description, along with some links to some of the products that I use, and you can check those out, and they are affiliate links. But I'm going to take my flour and my baking soda and mix those together. Not really big, but sort of. We're going to set those aside. Then we are going to take our softened butter. That is soft. And of course, the thing that we really all wanted, the Nutella. And yes, I did more than just I think this is 1/3 of a cup. I did more than just 1/3 of a cup because I know that not all of it's going to get in there. While those two things are going together, I'm going to add my sugar. I'm using raw sugar. You could use white sugar. You could use a combination of white sugar and brown sugar. That is up to you. Then I'm also going to add a nice pinch of sea salt. Remember, oh wow, that smells good. Remember to scrape. As of right now, I don't know if anybody has made hazelnut chips. If somebody does, hey, anybody listening, hazelnut chips, that'd be cool. I'm going to add my eggs, one at a time, sort of-ish. Gosh, that smells good. Vanilla. Now, if you want to make your own vanilla, click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make your own vanilla or just buy vanilla. Slowly, we are going to add our flour mixture. Ha ha ha. Turn it down. Turn it down so it doesn't go everywhere. This always makes me so nervous. I've had flour accidents before. Don't overbeat that. That's important. Now, I'm going to add my peanut butter chips. I'm using parchment paper. You can use wax paper. I think plastic wrap would work for this also. You'll notice that this, of course, is not a real stiff cookie dough kind of thing. No, we're going to freeze it. I'm going to take about half of this. That looks pretty good. Yes, there are other ways you can make this into a log. However, I've got like 80 billion things to do today, and like enough time to do one. Okay. I have my log. I'm going to put this into the freezer and do the next one. I'm going to freeze those for about an hour until they're nice and solid. Then we're going to cut them and bake them. Our cookies have been in the freezer for about an hour. We'll take out a roll. I have a silicone-lined baking sheet. I'm going to try to cut these into about 1/2-inch pieces. Notice I said try. I'm bad at this. Then we are going to take the cookie pieces, or slices. These will come back together, so don't worry if they fall apart. I will guarantee that you will do a much better job at slicing your cookies than I am doing. Like, guarantee you this. My cookie slices are on my silicone-lined pans. I have not tried this without lining the pans, so parchment paper, silicone. Then I'm going to take it over to the oven, which is preheated to 375 degrees. Bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are done. Yeah, makes sense. And then we'll take them out, let them cool slightly, and put them on cooling racks. Our cookies are out of the oven. Let's give them a taste. I have no idea what these are going to taste like. These have the nice sweet taste of the hazelnut. It is not overly sweet. You have the smooth peanut butter, the hint of chocolate. This really is a nice, crispy, crunchy, chewy. It really is. The outside is crunchy, the inside is chewy. This is a good cookie. I'm actually really impressed with this cookie. Tastes wonderful. It is so good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't forget the ingredients are listed down below in the description. Also, are links to some of the products that I use, and those are affiliate site links. And I really do hope that you make this. Now, if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and also share this video so maybe somebody will make cookies for you. And I hope I get to see you again next time. And take a look at these videos that I made just for you.